Do you dream of becoming a millionaire before you hit the age of 21? While it may seem like an impossible goal, it is achievable with the right mindset and strategies. Hey everyone, hey there, my name is SamerAI, and if you're like me, you want to know how to make money fast. Today, we're going to discuss one of the most coveted goals among young people, becoming a millionaire before the age of 21. Whether you're a student or a young professional, this goal may seem daunting, but it's not impossible. In fact, there are many people who have achieved this milestone, and today, we're going to break down the exact steps to help you get there too. We'll cover everything from mindset and goal setting to practical steps you can take to earn and invest your money wisely. So, whether you're looking to start your own business or invest in the stock market, stick around for our tips on how to become a millionaire by the age of 21. 1. Start saving your money as soon as you can. The key to becoming a millionaire by age 21 is starting early and investing wisely. You don't have to be born with an inheritance or have parents in the finance industry. All you need is some basic knowledge of money management, an understanding of financial markets, and maybe even some luck. As soon as you have access to some money, from your job or allowance, start putting aside at least 10% of it into savings each month. This will give you a good foundation of financial security and help build up your savings account quickly over time. Once you have some money saved up, consider investing it in stocks or mutual funds. This is where the real money can be made. The stock market has been known to provide huge returns on investments, but remember that there's always risk involved when investing in stocks and mutual funds. Do your research before jumping into any investment so that you understand how the market works and are aware of any potential risks associated with certain investments. Consider consulting with an experienced financial advisor who can answer any questions you may have about investing in stocks or mutual funds. Live below your means. Living below your means not only helps ensure that your finances stay in check, it also helps free up more income for saving and investing purposes. It might seem hard at first, but living below your means is one of the best ways to make sure that every dollar counts towards achieving your goal of becoming a millionaire before age 21. Start small by cutting back on non-essential purchases such as eating out or buying clothes. Then look for bigger ways to save, such as reducing housing costs by downsizing or carpooling with friends instead of driving everywhere on your own dime. Every little bit counts when it comes to reaching such an ambitious goal. 2. Invest in yourself by getting a good education. Investing in oneself through education is one of the most effective ways to increase the chances of financial success and becoming a millionaire, especially at a young age. While having money is important, it is equally important to have the knowledge and skills required to make wise investment decisions and build wealth. Education provides individuals with the necessary tools and knowledge to make informed decisions about finances and investments. With a good education, one can learn about personal finance, financial planning, and investment strategies that can help them grow their wealth over time. Additionally, education can provide individuals with critical thinking skills, problem-solving abilities, and a strong work ethic, which are all essential traits for success in any field. 3. Find a mentor who can help guide you on your journey to becoming a millionaire. Are you determined to become a millionaire by a young age? If so, it's essential that you find the right mentor who can guide you on your journey. Not all mentors are created equal, and it's important to choose wisely. You'll want someone who is well-versed in the journey to becoming a millionaire, has done it themselves, and is committed to helping others reach their same goals. A great mentor can make all the difference in your success. They can provide valuable advice and support when times get tough and offer motivation that'll help keep you focused on your goal. Investing in the right mentor could be the best decision you ever make, so don't hesitate to seek out someone with one step ahead of where you are now. 4. Create a plan and stick to it. We've all heard stories of the few that have done it, so why can't we be among them? The secret key is simple: create a plan and stick to it. It may sound cliché, but if you take the time and energy to build out a strategy, do your research and commit yourself to actually follow through on what you originally put forth, then trust me, you can make it happen. Sure, there will be obstacles along the way, and sometimes following your plan requires hard work. But hey, what's worth doing isn't always easy. So let's get going, because the sooner that plan is established, the better. 5. Don't be afraid to take risks. It all comes down to risk-taking. Many people would rather stay in their comfort zone and play it safe, but if you really want to make a big difference in your life, you need to take a leap of faith. Investment opportunities and business ventures aren't made without risking something, so don't be afraid to get out of your comfort zone and put yourself out there. Even if you don't think it will work out, the worst case scenario is that it won't. but the best case scenario could mean becoming a millionaire at a young age. So don't shy away from risks. Embrace them, talk about them with others who have succeeded where you might want to too. There's no harm in trying. 6. Stay focused and motivated. It all comes down to one thing: stay focused and motivated. Without these shiny ingredients, the recipe of success won't be complete. Whether it's a project you're working on, an investment, or something else entirely, if you stay focused and committed and motivated to reach your end goal, there's no telling what kind of success you could achieve. Forget unrealistic dreams and take baby steps that will propel you towards those goals step by step until you've created the life of your dreams. Remember, without focus and motivation, even the most seemingly simple tasks can end up costing valuable time. Time that could be much better spent creating something incredible. 7. Serve others and help them achieve their goals. Spend your time and energy helping others to achieve their goals. Sacrifice your leisurely activities and instead support those in need. One day, you'll look back and see that the rewards of serving others are so much greater than any monetary gain. 8. Give back to the community. Yes, donating money is noble and impactful, but giving your time, whether for a couple of hours or longer, is also an incredibly powerful way to make a difference. Spending time helping out local causes and connecting with members of your community not only makes you feel great on the inside, but it looks amazing on the outside too. Admittedly, philanthropy won't make you rich instantly, but the benefits you reap will be much more valuable in the long run. So if you want to do some real good while having fun and building relationships at the same time, why not look into volunteering today? Who knows, it could even help you become a millionaire by a young age. 9. Enjoy the process. If you take joy in small details, large accomplishments will come your way. Even if it's not money related, rewarding yourself for taking small steps gives you momentum and encourages you to reach bigger goals. Celebrate your journey while enjoying each step. Soon enough, you'll find yourself reaching heights you never thought possible. Becoming a millionaire at a young age isn't an easy journey. It takes persistence, resilience, and smart investing. Hopefully my methods have been illustrative, but what works for me may not work for you. Nevertheless, take the lessons and apply them to your unique situation. If there's one thing I learned, it's that financial freedom is worth the process. That's right. It may take effort, but nothing beats the feeling of having your own money-centered goals fulfilled earlier than expected. So now that we've talked the talk, let's walk the walk. How much money do you have now? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be sure to keep you up to date on more journeys and strategies for reaching financial success.